for sodium are 58.5 for sodium chloride. Okay, if sodium, just sodium, we give it 2.3 gram, or for sodium chloride, we give it as 58.5 or 5.85, something like this. Why? Because the molecular mass of sodium chloride is 58.5. So for finding the calculation easy. For today, the numbers will not be perfect, but we have our calculator, so we can use it. It's okay. The step that we needed, as I said, we need to find the molecular mass to be able to find the number of moles on relation. Let me explain it. But I am telling from now, just the numbers will not be easy to divide it, so we will need sometimes to use the calculator most of the time. Okay. Number of moles equal mass over molar mass. Do you know this equation? Okay. No, never you see this?
I saw it.
Okay, good. So we need, what we mean by N here, the number of moles. Is the mass. Okay, the mass that we already, when at the lab, when we want to weight the salt that we are going to use, we use the balance, and this is balance very, very sensitive, and we call it this mass, the one that we are finding the mass. And the molar mass is from our periodic table. What is the unit of the number of moles? It mole, M-O-L. This is the unit. The unit of the mass is GR. The unit of molar mass is the gram per mole. Because it's the relation between the gram and the mole, between the mass and the number of moles. Usually, in very easy way, we ask you find number. Let me, when I want to write something to be faster than like this, I type it. It will be easier for me. This is not. Okay, so working up now. Okay. Do you know in math, when we were in grade 5 and 6, they asked us to use the steps for solving any problem equation. They told us to put the given and to see what we required and to find the relation between them and then to apply and analyze our questions. So what we have here given, we need the given. And then what we want to find, or what we call is the required. Whatever. This is not required. Okay. And then relation. And then after that, with that, we have to find the relation between them. If we find the relation between the given and the required, things will be very easy. Just we have to apply. In any question, whatever is complicated, we have to divide it in two parts. So this is direct, very, very direct question. And just we need to make the direct application first to be familiar with it, and then we will start taking more complicated questions, and it will stay easy. Don't worry. Find the number of moles. So what he is asking me, find the number of moles. Okay, find the number of moles. When he asked me find the number of moles, he asking me about what? N is the number of moles. N is the number of moles. M is the mass. M capital is the molar mass. When he asking me find the number of moles, so he asking me about finding the N. So he want me to find the N. He asking me how much is the N. Required, he asking me find the number of moles for or if sodium chloride has 5.85 gram. So he asked me that in mass is equal 5.85 gram. Okay, when you see, and we know that we cannot find anything except if we have two given. For any equations, we need two givens to find the unknown. Because usually the equation is from three variables. Two should be given, and one I have to find it out. When they ask me about the mass or give me the mass directly, find the molar mass without he ask you, without start by the solving, even you use it or you didn't use it. Sometimes we don't need to use it, but find directly the molar mass. Okay? The molar mass, what is the mass? This is mass for whom? For which subject?
So could you repeat that again?
Huh?
Could you repeat what you said again? I couldn't hear you.
Okay. From here or from the start?
No, here.
Okay. I said, when he give me the mass, find the molar mass. Even before I start. Do you see I am still what the given? I just ask the given. Oh, did you recognize something? That this is the given and this is the required? Okay. Did you recognize this? Safa, did you recognize? Did you notice that
Why is it in the required and not in the given?
Okay. Your mom give you money, okay, and she asked you to buy for her chocolate, her favorite chocolate. What is the given? What the given? The something that you already have.
The money.
5.85.
The money that you have now. What your mom asked for? Okay, guys, what your mom asked you for? She gave you money, asked you for a chocolate. What is the given? The given, Safa said, it's the money. What your mom want from you? The chocolate.
Chocolate.
Chocolate, Ale. She gave you money and asked for a chocolate. Okay, now you are just thinking about it. She gave you the money, she asking for you for the chocolate. So you have to find a relation between the money and the chocolate to bring for her that chocolate. What you are going to do? Which way you are going to use? Go to the, for example, your fridge. Are you going to the fridge at your home?
Right now, no.
Where are you going to do? Go to bring for your mama the chocolate.
Yes, I will.
Yeah, from where?
The freezer.
From outside.
From outside, from shopping. because she gave you the money and asked for chocolate. So the relation between money and the chocolate, that I need to go for a certain place to buy it. Okay?
Yeah.
If she gave you the key of the drawer that she hide inside it, the chocolate, or mom doing this from their kids. But even we feel when they grow up, okay, and she asks you for a chocolate, where you are going to go? You have the key for the drawer, and she want the chocolate. She will go to the drawer to open it and bring the chocolate. So your way, the way that you are going to go, is depend with the given that you have and what she needs from you. Is this right or not? Is this analogy right or not? Did you understand it? So here, if he gave me the number of, if he asked for the number of moles, he said find the number of moles. So this is the required. This is what he want.
Miss?
Yeah.
Yeah, but like, how do you find it?
Given and the given, I will find the relation. And this is the given. Okay. The given, there is no, and this is the given. The given is the mass. So, and directly when I have mass, I have to find the molar mass, always, always, always. When I have mass, this is mean I will need the molar mass. For which substance? For sodium chloride, because the mass is for sodium chloride. So I have to find the molar mass for sodium chloride. How to find the molar mass? Do you have the molar mass? We will work now on finding the molar mass. The molar mass of sodium chloride is 23. This is because I taught you in grade 9, you know how to make it. So sorry for this. We will change for sodium chloride. Now you have to go to your periodic table. Molar mass is the sum of AAs. Do you know this is XA and here Z? Just to remember, I told you Z I use it only in electron configuration, and A I use it in my calculation. Finding the mass, finding the volume, finding Avogadro's number, whatever he wants from me, I will use A. Just that I use it to find the subatomic particles and the electron configuration. It's only we use the Z there. But A is the one that we use it from now and later, because that we use it in our calculation. So for sodium, if you go to your periodic table, you will find here 11 Z and here 23. I don't need for sure Z. I need the 23. And you will find the chlorine 35 in some periodic table, and in other periodic table you find it's 35.5, and here I know it's 17. I don't care about the 17. If you still remember, I ask you that what is the mass number? So you said it's 23, the mass number. And I ask you, what is the atomic number? You said it's 23 AMU. And also, if I ask you what is the molar mass, you have to say it's 23, but this time you have to say gram per mole. Okay? So we will go to work on this more. But I am trying just to let you know from where I get it. Okay, I know here I have my compound is sodium chloride. This is mean it's made up of one atom of sodium and one atom of chlorine. So this is mean that I need only one times the 23 because I have only one sodium, and the chlorine it's 58. This is 58, 30. This is the answer, 35.5. So my answer is 85.5 gram per mole. This is what my periodic table say. This is from my periodic table. And then it will be easy. I will look at it. Which relation I have it, they teach me it, contain N, contain M, and contain molar mass. relation, I have these three inside it. Okay? So I know that this relation is here, n equal m over m. Okay? Do you understand or not?
Yep.
Yes, Safa.
So for m, sorry, for relation, do you write molar mass and then equals the answer?
For whom?
For relation.
For the relationship, I need the molar mass. Here, I just say n equal m over molar mass. How much is the mass? Because this is my relation. I want to search about relation that has n and m and molar mass. And so I memorize this relation, so I have to use it. So my mass is 5.85 and my molar mass is 58.5. I will divide them on each other's and will get the number of moles. Okay? So I will delete here and work here because I want to show how we make it. And then we will go to start by our lesson. But this is what we need for today. This is everything that we need for today. But even though this is the way, and then this is by using this equation. And then I will show you how these days they use the stoichiometric directly. If I have an equation, I have to use the stoichiometric. If I have just one compound, I will use this equation. Let's later, step by step, we will understand it. And we have to stay in this lesson till things are okay, because this is the basic of chemistry. If we don't know how to find the mass and the number of moles, so we don't know chemistry. So my n equal n over molar mass equal. Mass, it's 5, it's given 58.8 gram. It's a gram. The unit is very important. And the molar mass is 58.5 gram per mole. Okay, do you see? So we cancel. I memorized the lesson, yeah, Abbas. So this is a gram, and this is gram cancelled. Okay, this is mole will go up because it's bare mole, so it will go up. And when I divide it, my answer will be in mole. And I divided this is over this. How much will be my answer? It will be 0.1. Is this right or not? Okay. 0.1 mole. This is my answer. And I know if I need n, I need its unit is in mole. And so this is the number of moles. Number of moles equal 0.1 mole. Okay. So this is the first one. And we have now to go and start from 0. This is what we are going to figure for tonight. Okay. So this will be our trip for tonight. Okay. So please try to just copy it and let's start. Is it easy? Do you feel that? Do you think that you are going to understand this lesson?
Yep.
Inshallah.
Miss, I have a question.
Yes, please.
So for this one, why it's like two different numbers?
Like
this is for the upper one it's 5.85 and for the lower one it's 58.5.
Okay. I told you this is the mass. This is mass. The small is the mass that you that is changeable. When you are going for in the lab, you the one who decide this mass. Okay? So this is how much you weight, but the molar mass will never change. This is the weight of the atom itself. Okay, so the number of moles is relation between the mass that you already weighted and then between the molar mass of it. Okay, and why the numbers are look like the same? Because I told you because they don't want the students to feel confused and use their calculator. They give them numbers that is very near from each other's, okay, look like this. So the students when look at it know what is the answer. But I will not give the similar numbers. Here the math, I can give it at 67.2 or something, whatever is math, okay? And you have to still doing it the same. But most of the books going it very near, so the students, because to make the calculation easy, okay? So when you are ready, let me know.
Okay, thank you, Miss.
Miss.
Yes.
So like you times the mass with the 5.85.
I divided.
You divide it and you
Yeah.
get the answer.
Yeah, divided, use the
That's
calculator.
it.
Yeah. Because this is up and this is down, it's a fraction now. So I divided up by down and to get a decimal number.
Okay. And so for on the right, so it's and there's a
Small.
negative.
No, this is not negative. This is I don't know from where. When maybe I did.
Oh, okay. So it's
Yeah.
just
Yeah. This is it's even not there. I don't know if there is anything. This is even not nothing. Okay.
okay. So you basically divide it to get the answer, and you're right beside it, MOL.
Divided. Just we divided.
Yeah,
And
yeah,
here the gram. Here
but you
is a
divide
gram.
it. Do you have to write the MOL as a final answer?
Yeah. This is unit. MOL. Do you know when you say mole? When you say
Oh, so
liter,
so it's like basically the same as a unit.
yeah, this is the unit. I
Okay,
told you this is
gotcha.
the unit of an, this is the unit of mass, and this is the unit of molar mass. Okay? Because but I want you to know that I'm waiting for you. Are you okay?
Yes.
Okay, I will start.
Yeah.
This look like you are waiting for me. Okay. Now, I will give you compounds and I will ask you to find the molar mass. So we will start, as I told you, we will start from 0. Okay, find. Do you still remember we give you, we first of all, we ask you before find, we have to keep understanding that it will start, this question will start from 0. For example, he will ask you for, first of all, write the molecular formula of, for example, write. This is right? No, this is write the molecular formula of nitric acid. Okay, this is step A. Step B, maybe he will ask you write the equation between nitric acid and sodium hydroxide. Okay, and then he will maybe ask you what is the molecular formula of nitric acid, what is the molecular formula of sodium hydroxide. Here we just, when something today, we need just the easy things. Write the molecular formula of nitric acid. And my part B, he will ask you what, find the molar mass of nitric acid. Okay, is it okay? So what is the molecular formula of nitric acid? It's very, very, very important in chemistry. Students, why they fail? They fail because they didn't understand what is MF. They fail because they didn't understand what is the meaning of molar mass. Okay? And what is, or what find the atomic mass unit of nitric acid. Okay. Do you have any idea about this, what I am writing? Okay.
Nitric mean nitrogen.
Acid is a hydrogen. Acid means H. Acid means hydrogen, H. Nitric, it's an O3. So it's just simply H and O3. Okay. You have to memorize it. You have to memorize, this is nitric acid, and you have to memorize sulfuric acid. Okay? Sulfuric acid, they usually comes too much sulfuric acid. So everybody knows that sulfuric acid, and this is why H2SO4. This is, we use them a lot in our chemical equations. We keep saying nitric acid, sulfuric acid, sodium chloride, sodium hydroxide. These simple compounds, we use them, but it most of the time would be given here in Canada, don't worry. And you still can ask, what is it? Nitric acid. So the compound, the molecular formula of my compound is nitric acid. Part B. Even part C is, part B is what? I have to go to my periodic table. Usually, if he didn't allow me to use my periodic table, he have to give me the molar mass of each one. What I mean, he have to tell me that hydrogen is 1. And he have to say that nitrogen is 14. And he have to say oxygen is 16. Or he have to allow me to use my periodic table, and I will find it out. Hydrogen 1,1, nitrogen is 7,14, and oxygen is 8,16. And I know this is 178. I use it for electron configuration only. And when it's molar mass, atomic mass unit, it's mean what? It's mean the up one, okay? So just simply, molar mass, I said molar mass, this is, do you see this? The capital M. Molar mass is the capital M, equal. I have to add them only. Nitric acid, I have to be careful that I am finding for nitric acid. I have to review something because of the new students, the number of atoms. Do you still remember, Yusuf and Abbas, that we worked on reading how many atoms we have? That we have here 1 atom of hydrogen, 1 atom of nitrogen, 3 atoms of oxygen. So why we learned this? Because now we need them. And I will go back for it a little bit now. Hydrogen, I have 1. So this is mean 1 times this number 1, because I have only 1, so I will times plus nitrogen. How many nitrogen atoms of nitrogen do I have? Is also 1 times 14. How many oxygen atoms do I have? How many oxygen atoms do I have? Hello?
60.
How many?
60.
No, how many atoms I have?
Oh, 1.
It's 3.
Yusuf?
It's 3.
Very good. Safa, Ali, and San, I have to explain it now. Okay, because we already covered it. It's
how is it 3?
I said Ali, San, Safa will not know. Okay. Okay. So now just add it. Use your calculator. It's very easy. Okay. So here it's 1 plus 14 is 15. And here 3 times 6 is 18. 1 here. 3 plus 1, 48. Okay, do you know how? And then I will use 2. I will get it here. It will be 50, 60, 63. 63 what? Gram per mole. Okay. So I know I just need those, and you will gonna ask me gram per mole why? Because this is, you have to memorize it. And why? If you go back to page number 1, because it's a relation between mass and N. Okay, this relation between the mass and N is mole and mass is a gram. So from here we come to this gram per mole, because it's a relation between mass and the mole. Okay, did you understand? So always the molar mass is by gram per mole. Then we will ask you to find C, atomic mass unit. He will ask you molar atomic mass unit. It will go simply, you will say 63. It's the same way I find it. It's the same way I find it. Okay, but already I found it. I don't need to show him. So it's 63. But what is it? A dot M dot U dot atomic mass unit. Do you still remember that one I was asking you before? What is the atomic mass unit? Okay, for nitrogen. You were saying 14 AMU. We did it. Do you remember? So it was for one element, here for a compound. So I have to add all of them, and I have to write AMU. It's very important to know what is the unit for AMU, for the atomic mass unit, and for the molar mass. And if you ask me one way I am going to use this or use this, gram per mole, you have to use it on all of your calculations. Atomic mass unit, it's only I am using it in isotopes when I am going to find the mass for isotopes. When he gave me 3 elements, the same 3 elements, hydrogen, 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 and he gave me hydrogen, this one, it this much has, and hydrogen has this much, and hydrogen has this much. So I have to find the total and divide it, and I say AMU. Okay, because I am finding the molar mass itself, but I'm finding in AMU. Just in that case, I am using atomic mass unit. We will get an example regarding it. Okay, don't worry about later. Now I just want you to memorize that atomic mass unit is mean adding the A's and give it unit AMU. Molar mass is adding the A's, but give it the unit gram per mole. And this is the one that I use it in my calculation, in that equation, okay? I will give you now examples about how to read the number, and then I will ask you how to find the molar mass, and then we will go. So we are doing a step back because of San and Safa and Ali, okay? Just got 1 minute only, and we will move. Only 1 minute. Okay, guys, let's go to the second step. Not the second, one back, more steps, okay? Look, who is playing, me or someone? I am the one? Okay. It's not, I don't know why it's giving me this, but anyway, what I did. Okay, now I am good. Find the number of atoms. The total number of atoms in this compound. CH3 COOH. So he asking you simply, how many atoms do you have? How many atoms do you have? Come, count it. The number of atoms is the subscript that we have here. Is the subscript that we have here. Okay, how many? So this is, I want to go also back again. 2x3. Okay, I want you to know that this is, we call it coefficient. Same as math. Do you know when we have coefficient? And this is in math, we don't have this number. We have here the power. Do you remember? Okay, we have coefficient and the power. Here I don't have power. I have subscript. Okay, coefficient, and here have subscript. So the coefficient play as much as you want in it, but the subscript, you cannot change it at all, Okay, so here, and how many atoms do I have here? How many atoms do I have? And one of the students told me that the chocolate example make him feel confused, but I will try. Sometimes some students will like it. This is mean that I have 2 boxes, and in each box I have 2 chocolate. Okay, this box X, and this box X. This is another box X. It have 2 chocolate in each one. Okay? No. And I need the one. I don't want. Let me give it without the. Okay. Let me. I don't want anyone to be confused because. Okay. Here, how many? Who can read it? Abbas and no, Abbas, Yusuf, no. Ali, San, and Safa. How many atoms of X I have? How many atoms of X I have?
2.
2. You have 2 atoms of X, okay? But this is what the coefficient, this is what say. This coefficient, we say that we have X2 plus X2 plus X2. Do you still remember this in math? Do you remember this in math? This is you add the coefficient plus the coefficient plus the coefficient for that same terms. Here the X and X are same terms. So adding the coefficient, how many X do you have? How many X2 do you have? You have 1, and you have 1, and you have 1. So you have a 3.
Hey, what about the 2 though?
This is from its nature. This is from its nature. So you have a 3 molecules. So you have a 3 molecules.
And what did you ask, San? How many
Atoms in general I have.
atoms in general you got?
Yeah, here, how many
So
atoms?
it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8.
8. Why it's 8?
It's C, and there's 3H, 4H.
No, I am asking here. We are trying to
Where?
figure. Okay.
You have 3 X's. No, but I'm talking about the first one, the CH3 COOH.
Yes, Ale.
You have 8, right?
We have 8, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes.
So this is the like if I get a question like that, this is the answer.
Yeah,
This is how I do. I just count all of them,
all of
and
them.
that's it.
But
Okay, thank
if
you.
you have a number here,
I multiply it by all.
yes.
Okay, and if I multiply it by the H3, it's gonna be 1 sec. 4 times.
Tab. Okay.
It's gonna be 12.
We not 12.
Then what's gonna be?
Because we don't have just 3 H. If I ask you how many atoms of hydrogen do you have, here you have how many atoms of hydrogen do you have? In each
3.
molecule, how much?
3.
You have this, you forget it.
Oh, so I have to add it too.
Yeah, you have to add it. So you have 3H and
So
1.
so when I multiply, I don't go like for example C, I'm gonna add both C's and then I'm gonna multiply it.
Yes. Yeah, you hit it.
So it's
Alhamdulillah.
gonna be so it's gonna be 4 multiplied 2.
Okay, yeah. So let's go
And
for this. Okay, so let's apply it without the 4 first, and then we will put the 4. Okay, so let's see, mashallah, he got it. So let's see here. Here we have, I have 2 atoms of carbon. Okay, Safa, how many atoms of hydrogen? Safa, how many atoms of hydrogen?
There's 3.
And here 3. What about this, Safa?
Which one?
This one. This is hydrogen.
The last one?
Yeah.
That has 1?
Yeah. So 3 plus 1. This is how much? 4 atoms of hydrogen. Okay. This is the total that you have it, even if they are separated, but it's still an atom of hydrogen. Sun, how many atoms of oxygen do you have here? Sun? Sun?
Oh, hi, miss.
Yeah, how many atoms of oxygen do you have?
The oxygen?
Hmm.
One. Oh, no.
Yeah,
Yeah, one?
no. You have one
Oh,
and
two.
two. Very good. Okay, so you have 2 atoms of C, you have 4 atoms of hydrogen, 2 atoms of so total. Okay, total number of atoms.
Total atom?
Total how much?
8.
8 atoms. Okay, how many molecules do you have?
Um,
Three molecules.
Do you know here where we use the chocolate example? That you bought as assorted chocolate. This is chocolate, it's a brand CH3 COH, which is acetic acid. When you go inside it, you find this is number of atoms. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is this is the chocolate. You have oxygen, and you have hydrogen, and hydrogen. And you have carbon, and you have carbon. This is the box of chocolate, you got it. But how
Okay.
many box? Okay, how many box did you buy? How many box did you buy? How many box did you buy of acetic
One?
acid? Yeah, we bought only one.
Yeah.
Because he said, I have one. So I have one box. One, when we ask you how many molecules, okay?
Okay.
Oh, this is mean how many box of a chocolate. So this is
Oh.
one molecule.
Okay.
Okay, so I will delete this. This is how many boxes of this chocolate we have.
So there's 3 boxes, right?
Yeah, here 3 molecules.
Oh,
3.
okay.
Each box has the chocolate is X and X, just 2 axes. Okay.
Okay, so it's have to be the number here, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
This is the molecules, and this is another box, and this is another box. Each box has 2. Okay.
Oh, okay.
The total that you have 3 boxes, 3 molecules,
Mm-hmm.
and each box or each molecule has 2. When you
Okay.
say each box, I mean each molecule has how many atoms? 2 pieces
2.
of chocolate, 2 atoms.
Yeah.
The pieces of a chocolate is the atoms. The
Mhm.
box is the molecule. So here,
Okay.
how many boxes did you buy?
3.
3 boxes. Each box, how many chocolate?
2.
2. So you have to say, I have 3 molecules of X2. This is the compound. Each box has 2. Each box has 2. So the total is 6.
Oh, okay.
So here I will give it to you again, and you have now to explain it for me. I will give
Okay.
the same one. So here I have 5 CH3 COOH.
Miss, are you writing? I can't see.
Yeah, I'm writing in page number.
Oh, okay.
It's 4. Why it's
Yeah.
4? Oh, it's okay. I don't know why it gives us 4.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, so we have, this is 5. So
Yeah.
how many molecules do you have? How many?
I have 5.
How many molecules of acetic acid? Acetic acid, this is its name.
Yeah.
Acetic acid. Okay, so how many molecules of acetic acid, Ya Ali, we have?
5.
Okay, 5. Do you agree, Ali? He is away. Okay, the second question. How many atoms of C of carbon do we have?
2.
Carbon,
It's 2.
and in this molecule, in this compound. Now, Ali and Yusuf, Abbas and Yusuf, if you want to share, it's okay. Because they get it, so you can share. How many atoms of carbon we have? So this one carbon and this one carbon.
Yeah.
This is in one box. But how
Yeah.
many boxes do we have?
Oh, 5. So
5 times
2, 10.
10 atoms.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, so how to read it? If they ask me, read it according to the number of atoms. So,
I didn't understand. What is that?
yeah, how we need to read it. So we have 5 molecules.
Okay.
We have molecule of acetic acid. Either I said each contain. If I said each contain, I have to say 2 carbon of atoms.
Oh, okay.
Or I will say 10 atoms in general, 10 atoms of carbon. So if said I each, so each contain, if I said each contains 2 atoms of carbon, 2 atoms of oxygen. Is this right? And 4 atoms of hydrogen. If I didn't say each, Safa, if I didn't say the word each, what I have to say? If I didn't say each, what I have to say?
All?
Yeah, I would say without using, if I didn't use this word, I have to say 5 molecules of acid contains 10 atoms. No, 2 times 5 are 10 atoms of carbon, 10 atoms of oxygen, and 20 atoms of hydrogen. Because I have to say the total.
Yeah.
Okay? Anyone didn't understand the idea behind this? Who didn't understand? Please, who didn't understand?
So I have a question for when you wrote 5 times 2, how did we get 2?
Huh?
How did we get 2 for the atoms?
This one, we get it?
Yeah.
This is we teach you to know how to find the molar mass and to find Avogadro's number. This is only we teach it for this purpose. To find Avogadro's number, atomic mass unit, and to find the molar mass, to help you in finding the molar mass only. Okay? So and today I just need from you to know how to find the molar mass. So when I ask you now, find the molar mass, will be my question. Find. I am in page 6.
What part of it?
Find molar mass
0412
of
729
CH3 COH. Please, all of you. This is
847
H. Okay. So please find the molar mass of it. Do you need, can you please use your periodic table to, I know I can give it to you. It's very easy to give it to you. It's carbon 12 because these compounds are easy. I memorize them. But some compounds I don't know them. Not all the compounds. I memorize around 30, 40 compounds and others I don't know them. Hydrogen is one. Because in my back home we have to memorize the first to 20 element. Okay, and oxygen is 16. Okay, so find it, please. Who? Okay. Can you please work on it? And I need volunteer to find it here, not me this time. Who wants to be our volunteer? San, do you want to be? San, do you want to be our volunteer?
Okay.
Yes, please. Each one of you have to work on it. I will give 5 compounds, and each one of you have to find it. Please, San, start. San,
Yes, miss.
please start.
Miss.
Yes,
Why did you put the numbers here?
this is numbers. It's
Yeah,
either we put it like this or we give it. There are 2 ways. You have to be familiar with them, or they give it to you like this. Not this. It's carbon 12. Okay, and hydrogen 1. And oxygen 16. There are 2 ways to give you it, okay? Either in this way or this way, okay? And why I give it to you, this is A, the mass number that I need it to calculate the molar mass. Do you know what is the meaning of molar mass? Do you know what is
no.
molar mass is this, the capital M.
Oh, okay, the capital M, yeah, okay.
I said please memorize it and memorize its unit. It's very
Okay.
Let's start, please. We will practice it, don't worry.
Okay, can you just help me with it, please?
I will help you, but just please do something wrong. Okay? Because if you didn't do something wrong, you will not learn.
Okay, so there's one molecular here.
Oh no, I don't need the molecular here. We
Oh.
will give it to you. That one we was read only for reading. Now that one for Avogadro's number. To find Avogadro's number, we need it. I told you, we learned that one to read how many atoms and how many molecules because of the part about Avogadro's number that we are going to study. But now I need the number of atoms to know that how many carbons do I have. How many carbons do you have? You
Two.
need to find it's a theoretical value, the molar mass in periodic table. Okay, the mass in the periodic table. So you have 2 carbon. Okay. Times what?
Okay.
Each one, what is the weight of it?
Times 1.
For carbon. For carbon.
Oh, 12. 12. Yeah, 12.
So
Sorry.
it's 12. Continue.
Oh, okay. No, wait. Miss? The H is negative one or the positive one?
No, this is dash. This is dash.
Oh, dash, right? Yeah, okay.
This is dash. They write it this way. X A. Do you know this is A, the gram of more? Or they say it X A. This is the form of it, okay?
Oh, okay, okay. I thought it's negative.
No, it's okay. We learn.
Yeah. Is that correct?
Correct, I don't know. Okay, but what you did, I see it's correct, okay? But I need something here.
Oh,
The unit. No, the unit is a gram per mole.
oh, okay.
It's 24, correct. 4, correct. 2, oxygen, 32. Okay, so 8 and 2, they are 10. Okay, and 60. Yes, very good. Very good. You did it. Is it scary?
Oh, no.
Yeah, so we will find another one. San finish. Safa,
Yes, Miss. I put 2 instead of 4 for the hydrogens, but I fixed it.
so you did it correct?
First I did it wrong and then I fixed it.
That's good. Now it's your turn here. And I have to give you phosphate. Phosphoric acid. H. Help me in writing phosphoric acid. I don't know. This is H and this is phosphoric. Phosphate. How to write phosphate? Do you still remember? Do you know how to find it? If you go to that, how to write it? I need help.
Is it behind the periodic table?
Yeah, this is the one that I give you the table. It's P O.
PHOS.
No, there is no S. It's phosphate. This is phosphate. This is PO4, and here 3 minus. Do you still remember? Go find it. Check. All of you guys, do you know it? This is phosphate. And with hydrogen is a +1. Can you please write the molecular formula? The molecular formula. Okay, write the molecular formula. Write molecular formula. And then find, do you see the difference? Find molar mass. So this is molecular formula. This is molar mass, okay? Did you understand the difference between them?
Yeah.
So please find for us the molecular formula and then find the molar mass and deduce, part C, deduce atomic mass unit. Okay, please try. Safa, I want to see you working here, please. First of all, and I want you guys to support her. Abbas Youssef, support Safa. Yalla, please start.
I still can't draw, so I'm gonna do it on paper.
Oh, as usual.
ما بيطلع لي هتعالى.
Miss. Miss.
Okay, Safa, did you send it for me or you want me? Or what?
I'm just writing it down. I'm not done yet.
Okay, send it for me, and at the same time, I don't want to lose the time. I want to get the chance. And
Miss,
Nas Aleh.
I have a question. So
Yeah.
first one you said write the MF.
Uh,
So how do you write it though?
you have to write it. MF, what is the meaning of MF?
Molecular formula?
Yes, so write it. I already give it to you. Okay.
You
Phosphoric
mean
acid.
a paper?
Yeah, and here. This is I have to write to give it to you. Phosphoric acid. Its name is phosphoric. Okay, acid. Okay. I
So-
give it already for you the ionic form. So you just to make it crisscross. Okay, phosphoric acid.
So it's gonna be H3PO4?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, so simply write it, please. Yeah, please, can you make it for because Safa cannot, but she will send
sure.
it. I will check my WhatsApp, Safa.
You want me to write it?
Yeah. I want you to
Okay.
solve it, all of it. Safa is doing it on a paper. She will send it for me on WhatsApp and I will check it there. Okay? Yusuf, I want. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen.
Miss, do you want me to write the AMU?
I didn't ask you. I just said deduce. What is the difference, Safa, between find and deduce? Who can tell me? Tell me, Safa. If you don't know,
Sorry, what is it?
Huh?
What is the question?
What is the difference between find and deduce?
Is it like this? The second one is to divide them
No,
to
no,
get the answer?
no. Deduce, it mean, guess what is it? Find, it mean calculate and divide and multiply to find it. Okay? But deduce, just guess what is it? It's in front of your eyes. So there, okay? But just deduce it. This is mean that I already have it before and I have to deduce it from a previous answer. Okay? Because you already found the molar mass. When you already found it, the molar mass, so guess what is it? Do you still remember the first exercise I did it? Now do it. This is part A, please. I don't accept this is in the test. This is part A. This is part B. And instead of part B, you have to say M equal also. Okay? Because what
Yeah.
you are finding.
Miss, just to double check if my periodic table is right. P is 15, right?
Miss, I think you're muted.
Oh, thank you so much. Okay, tell me a long time ago. Safa, do you see when I told this is correct, but you because of this you are not answering me. Safa, I told you I asked you for the molecular formula. I didn't say give the name. What you did it, you gave me the name.
Okay.
You said it's phosphoric acid. I didn't say give the name. I said give me the molecular formula. Here, Ali did correct. And here, Ali, this is wrong. And you have to remember to write a plus. And here is 31.
So I have a periodic table right here. It says 8.
No, send me a picture. This is periodic table for the electronic configuration. I told you guys more than one times that the periodic table, there are many. There are one to find the
Which one do we use though? Which one is the correct one?
I will send for you the one that contain A and Z at the same times. Okay, and we have electronic configuration. We use it just in small cases. Okay, but usually the one that we really need is the one that should contains. I will show you something. Let me open the camera. This is a grade 9. Oh, you cannot see because the background. Let me cancel the background and okay, just give me 1 minute. You see this book? This is grade 9. Okay, in the grade 9 book. Okay, if you see this, I will. Do you see at the bottom there is a number? Do you see any number? Do you see any number?
Yeah.
Okay, at the bottom, do you see one? And at the top, there is a number. So we have two numbers. And remember, the big number is A. And the small number is always Z. Even if you get confused, the big one is A and the small one is Z. And here for phosphorus, it gives me 31. It's written like this. For phosphorus, it's 31 and here 15. For oxygen, it's 16.8. For hydrogen is 1.1. Okay?
Right.
So I have to use the A.
Miss.
Yes.
So for P in the periodic table that you posted,
Yeah.
it says 15 and the mass is 2.58. There's no 31.
So that one maybe it's the electronic the electronegativity, I think. Let me check which periodic table I post. If you remember
Under periodic table trends.
okay, because we was talking about the periodic table trends, so it was the electronegativity. Because first day we studied chemistry, I gave a periodic table and I told and even when they click it's a change. Okay, so that one I will share it again with you guys. It's a link and then I will search for you a periodic table that have A and Z very clear. And even anyone here periodic table you can find just simply. Look, I will show you how. Just go for the edge for anyone, say periodic table, any periodic table, and you have to find one, not the trends, and one periodic table of elements, and not the charges, not whatever, because there are many periodic tables, everyone showing me a character. Because there are physical and chemical characteristic for the periodic table. One periodic table will show me the melting point, the boiling point, the density of each element, the electronegativity, the radius, atomic number. Everyone will show me something. So because of this, we have to know which periodic table we have to use. Did you write? And did you find any periodic table?
Miss, which page are you writing it?
The periodic table?
No, the page.
No, I didn't.
That's not.
I am
Sorry?
just searching. No, I said go to your Chrome or Google Classroom and just type periodic table, and you will find any periodic table that's showing you two numbers.
Yeah,
Oh,
but like the one that I took the number from, it has that, and it's wrong, you said. So I'm a bit confused.
Send me a picture of it.
Okay, I'll relook for it because I searched online.
Send me what's up in the group, and I will say if it's good or not. Okay.
Okay.
When I share my screen, it will not give me periodic table. Now, you see? Do you see my screen? This is periodic table to buy it, but we don't need to buy. It will take me to Amazon. I don't need Amazon. And I have Aslam to remove my account with Amazon. We have to go back. I don't need Amazon. I don't know why it's open for me. There are many periodic tables. Do you see this one? It's good periodic table. So the number is up and the number is down, but it's very small. You cannot see it. And I cannot make it big. If you didn't find, I will share with you one. Okay, but let me first of all figure it out. So did you send me anything? Yeah. Loading the whiteboard, it took time. Okay, last part. I said deduce.
Miss, I don't have WhatsApp, so I'm gonna send it to Sam, and he will send it to the group.
Okay. I just
Okay,
go
and
see.
I'm gonna send it to you.
Okay. So we'll go to page. Which page we were there? Oh, sorry. I open. This is for grade 8, grade 12. By mistake, I opened the wrong whiteboard. It's okay anyway. I ask you to find the molar mass and then ask you to deduce. Okay, what was the molar mass? When you find it, yeah, Ali. Sana, it found it, it's 97, Sana, gram per mole. This is what did you find, Sana?
Yeah, it's 97
Uh-huh.
grams.
Okay. And
He sent it.
how much?
No, I'm saying he sent the
Okay.
periodic table.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, what is part C? If Safa find the molar mass 97 gram per mole, what is the atomic mass unit?
It's the same thing.
Yeah, it's correct, yeah, Ali. At the top, look at nitrogen.
Yeah, but like I wrote that and you said it's wrong.
I said it's wrong. No, to look at nitrogen, it's here written 14.0001.
Yeah, I'm talking about P. You
P,
said it's 31, and I can't see
it's
any
16.
31.
Phosphorus is 16.
It's in the picture. It's 15, and
It's 16.
and you wrote 31, so that's why I was confused.
No, it's the atomic mass, not the atomic number.
Yeah. Yeah, but I don't. It's not clear
Yeah,
with
but
the,
like there's no 31. I can't really see there's 41.
It was rounded.
I don't know. It's 8. It's 16. Sulfur, the number above, it's not clear. If anyone, I will send for you one. The bigger number, there is 2 numbers, one here and one down.
I
Okay,
found a new one, and yeah,
it's clear.
it says 30.97.
Yeah, but we don't use the
Nothing.
points. We don't use points. I don't like
Yeah,
them.
so you round it up. Yeah, it's gonna be 31. Yeah, I found the correct one.
Okay, Ali, don't run from my questions. I will keep asking you it. If the molar mass is 97 gram per mole, did you use the atomic mass unit?
Which one are you guys on?
The same question for the acetic, for the sulfuric acid, phosphoric
Page
acid.
one?
How much is the molar mass with you?
The molar mass?
Yeah, how much did you find it? After the calculation, how much is it?
I think it was 66.
66?
Yes.
Safa, do you agree, Safa, with him? Safa, is it 66?
I didn't solve it yet.
Okay, so let's agree. 66. So what is the atomic mass unit?
$66.
66, very good. But what you have to tell me? A dot M dot U, atomic mass unit. Okay, Ali?
Wait, what is this for? The 66 AMU
This is the atomic mass unit.
atomic mass units?
Yes, same way I found it. Do you know the molar mass? How do you
Oh,
find it?
so basically after you finish, you just write the same thing what you wrote above down.
Yeah, but different units. And even if I didn't ask you this and just ask you this directly, you have to make the same thing, the same steps. If
Oh,
you
the
have
same.
to
Oh,
say
okay, okay.
you have to say You have to say 1 times I don't know plus plus plus. But my answer, it will not be gram per mole. It will not be gram per mole. It will be a
Atomic mass unit.
yeah. If he asks me find the atomic mass unit or find the molar mass, I have just the main difference between them is the unit, only the unit. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So alhamdulillah. Now, Yusuf. Hello, Yusuf.
Yeah, miss.
Yeah,
I'm
you
here.
got tested today from us. Yeah. I didn't ask you any question today.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's your turn.
What page is it? Is it
No,
3?
it's page 3 because, yeah. Page 3 and your question, find the molar mass. The molar mass of this one, H2SO4. Did I give it before? Did I give it to you before?
No, you didn't.
So this is your one.
Okay.
Miss,
Yes.
and why did you put AMU correct and the grammatical wrong
Why did
on
I put
page 3?
page 3 here? Why I put this?
Yeah, like you put check mark on it and you put
No,
the
no, no,
wrong.
no, no, no. This is correct. This is part B correct. But I said if I was explaining something. If he didn't ask me this and directly ask me this, so I have to go and find it from the basic, okay?
Oh, okay.
Yes, I was explaining something. I said if he didn't give me this, okay? So
Oh, okay.
because this is here deduce. I deduce it from here. But what if he didn't give me this? So I have to find this. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Yusuf, start.
Thank you.
Miss, can you walk me through it because kind of confused about this one.
What?
Can you like step by step, like we can do it together? Can you help me with it?
No help. Do mistakes and we will help then. Yes. What you are going to find first of all?
We're going to find the molar mass.
Okay, so what is the symbol of molar mass?
Like for hydrogen?
No, the molar mass, this is for everything. For this, because he said of this, for all of it.
Oh,
For all
okay.
this molecule.
Do I have to write like the formula first?
If hydrogen, I will not ask you the molar mass. What I will say for hydrogen, guys, if I want to ask for him for hydrogen, what I will say? The molar mass?
5.
Huh?
Oh,
Yes.
sorry, I thought you were asking another question. Sorry, I said 5 as you.
No. If I want to ask for hydrogen, and what I will say, I will not say molar mass because molar it comes from the word molecule, and hydrogen is not a molecule, Yusuf. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
So what I will use for hydrogen, when I want to ask you specifically for hydrogen, what will I use?
Not that sure. To be honest.
Atomic mass.
Atomic mass.
Yeah. What is the atomic mass of H? What?
5.
What is the atomic mass? I don't know why it's of H. It's 1 gram per mole. Same. Okay? It's 1 gram per mole. But atomic mass unit, but it will be in AMU. Because
Miss, I have a question.
yeah, we work, yes.
So how do I find like the number? Because my periodic table doesn't have it. Like I just have the charges.
I give it to you the first day. So now I will give another one, uploaded one. I will give you.
Yeah, because right now my periodic table, I don't have like those
Don't worry.
information.
So
So I can't do it.
hydrogen is 1. Sulfur is 32. Okay. Oxygen is 16. Go. Yes, find it now, please.
So find for SO4.
No, find for H2SO4.
Okay. Miss, do I need to write like the formula that you gave us?
No, you have to say H2SO4 small like this, okay? At is the bottom because to show which molecular formula. Because during the exercise you have to find the molecular formula for more than one molecule. Okay, because we have 2 reactants, 2 products, so you have at least 2 molar mass. Okay, so this is molar mass for this compound, which is equal to, now find it.
Okay.
The molar mass is the number of atoms times the molar mass of the compound. Well, what is this, Yusuf? What is this?
Sorry, this is a bracket.
Okay.
It's not 12. Yeah, sorry for my handwriting.
Okay, we put the number out and the molar mass in. So it will be written this way. Okay, we have
Yeah.
200 times 1 plus. This is one for whom?
That's one for sulfur, because
For
it only has one atom.
No, sulfur is never atom. It's 32.
Oh, okay.
It's we have one of sulfur times 32
Oh, okay, yeah.
plus what else we have?
So now we have oxygen, which is 4
Yeah, times.
times 16.
Yes.
Is this correct, miss?
Yes, you have just to add it and you did it out.
Yeah,
Very
it's 98 grams.
very good, very good. Yeah, Yusuf, you did it. Ali did it. San did it. Safa did it. I think Abbas is the only one who did it. As Abbas, do you want to go to pray? Abbas, you already want.
No, I'm still here. I'm not.
Okay, do you want to pray?
Yeah, if that's possible, 5 minutes.
Yeah, you can go. We'll stop 5 minutes, and then we can finish. Are you okay if we stopped 5 minutes?
Yes.
Yeah, because he need to pray. Just review what we got, and when he come back, he have to find the molar mass, and then we have to start in our lesson.